Ashok is recording it.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
You can ask Ashok. Okay.
Sure, sure. I will. Thanks.
So Tableau Public means it's a free of cost. Okay, first we need to log into the server. When we try to save the dashboard, it will ask the login credentials like a mail ID and password. So we can log in this way, and we can save our reports or workbooks once we created in the Tableau. There will be 1 GB of a free space. It is for everyone. Everyone can log in and everyone can access these reports which we saved. It's no need of cost. It is a trial version. So if you want to practice Tableau, you can install Tableau Public. It is a free version. For this, you can create the reports, and if you want to save the reports, means you can save it in the server. I mean, with the login, we can save it in the server so that all the people can see, like some other people can see. This is Tableau Public. It means it will have access to everyone. Those who are having this mail IDs and passwords to that particular server, everybody can access your reports. This is Tableau Public. Tableau Online means Tableau Online is nothing but Tableau Public Premium. It is something like we need to purchase the memory in space of server. In Tableau Public, we have only 1 GB memory. Here we need to purchase the memory. It could be a hosted service where we can purchase how much memory we need, and no need to install any server or no need to maintain any server. Everything is done by Tableau for this. Just we need to pay some bucks. Once we buy, here we can publish our reports. Means publish is nothing but we can save our reports. Reports are dashboards. Here we can set the permissions like only this user can want to see this dashboard, these two users want to see other dashboard. Here we can give the security control. In Tableau Public, we cannot give the security control. When you create the reports and when you save the reports in the server, those who are having access, everybody can see your reports. But in Tableau Online, you can set the permissions. Only these people wants to see these reports, not everyone. So it's like we can security control. But basically, we won't use this Tableau Public and Tableau Online. In our organization, we use only Tableau Desktop Professional. It is very, very important, this Desktop Professional, because we will be using Desktop Professional only, Tableau Desktop. It is a key product, part of Tableau. There will be one key for us. You can use that. You can use that key, and we can build the Tableau reports. Here we are connecting to the databases or flat files. See, in Tableau Public, we can connect only to the flat files. Here we can connect to the flat files and as well as databases. And you can pull the data from data sources. And if you are going for Oracle means, you need to select Oracle, and we need to give the join conditions. If you are using 3 or more table means, there only can use the join conditions, and we can build the reports. Here we can control whole database operation desktop. It is like a licensed version. There we have the purchase how many desktop license we need. I told you, right? We in desktop we will have one key. Based on that key, we can log in and we can build the Tableau reports, and we can save the reports and we can publish in the server. Have any doubts on Tableau Desktop Professional?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Go on.
Okay. Tableau server is nothing but once we develop our reports, we need to save the reports. You can save our reports in our local machine, but some other people wants to see your reports. So we will have one Tableau server. So in that server, you will publish in the sense we can save our reports there. And while publishing our reports, we can give the permissions. Only this user can wants viewer access, the other user wants interactor access. Like that, we can set the permissions also there. The server means we are publishing the reports in the server, and we are giving the security control there. Okay, Tilak?
Okay.
There any questions on this public desktop or Tableau server?
So what I understand is Tableau Public and Tableau Online are more like web applications where we log in onto their website. But
Absolutely,
Tableau
yes.
Desktop Professional is a desktop application, and the Tableau Server is an publishing
Yeah,
methodology
we need
for
to save our
desktop
reports,
professional.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. And these are the basic system requirements we need to have this. If you are installing Tableau means you should have 32-bit or 64-bit version Windows, 2 GB memory, 250 megabytes minimum free disk space, 32-bit color depth recommended. If you are using Mac means all these things. These are systems requirements, basic system requirements. Okay.
Okay.
How does Tableau work? We have just three simple concepts here: connect, analyze, and share. Connect. Connect means, as I told you earlier, we'll connect through flat file or we'll connect through database.
Yeah.
And analyze means we'll analyze the analyzing and the development stuff. Everything will come here. Analyze the data you want. I mean, filter it or sort it, perform aggregations on it, summarize. All the development stuff and analyzing stuff will come here. Share it. Share is nothing but once we created our Tableau report, we are sharing this report to the others in the Tableau server. So if I publish my Tableau desktop in the server, so everybody, those who are having access for that server, they will see this. They will download or they will see in the web only. They can see all this report. These are the three simple concepts: connect, analyze, and share.
Okay.
This is the Tableau architecture. See, in the left side, you can see, right, here we have all the databases. Here, here we no need to uh, don't want to purchase anything extra. If you have a license for a Tableau desktop, then we will get the license for a server as well. Here we can connect to the Tableau in the two ways. See, I told you you can connect Tableau in the two ways: flat files or databases. When I say flat file, when I say file based, it is like Excel, MS Access, text file, CSV, comma separated file. So like this, we can connect to the file based from Tableau and build the Tableau reports and publish it in the server. Or if you are connecting to the database means, Tableau supports n number of databases like Oracle SQL Server, Teradata, Greenplum, Vectorwise. Like this, we have PostgreSQL, SQL Server, n number of databases. And while connecting, we can do the table joins and build the tables, reports, and publish it into the server. So I will show you a sample example on this, how to connect. See, now we are using Tableau 9. See, these are all the flat files. Through flat files, we can connect the data. Through uh, database, we can connect the data. See, now I'm connected to the flat file. So I'm just selecting Excel. So I have n number of Excel sheets. If you don't have Excel sheet also, no problem. Why? Because see, here we have sample superstore. This is one Excel sheet. This, see, we got all this. This is the sample superstore sales, and this is the columns, dimensions, and measures. Or if you want to connect, other one means see, data, new data, Excel. don't have any Excel sheets here. If I have Excel sheet means I can connect like this. Okay. Are you getting the like?
Yeah, yeah. So flat
If I
files
don't
are
have
basically files in your system. It could be Excel, it could be Access, or any
anything,
other kind of file that has data in it. But
yeah.
database is something that is
See,
stored in a
database is like
server
Oracle.
and
For
then
example, Oracle is my database. So I need
correct.
to select Oracle. Here I need to give all the credentials here. And I click OK. Both are same, but this is nothing but a database. This is nothing but a flat file. If
Okay,
you
and
connect like
one
this,
quick
you will get
question.
sorry.
Yeah, one quick question. Can Tableau also connect, use both the structured and unstructured data?
Yeah. If you if you have just columns and data means it's enough. You can prepare your own data. So
Correct.
it will show like this. These are all the columns, dimensions and measures. All the dimensions, all these are the measures. You can drag. See, if I can drag customer name, I'll get the customer name. If I drag order date, see it is showing order date. If you want to filter means, see like this. Okay. Okay. Now this portion is finished. The main center one is a Tableau server where we have a Tableau repository. When you install the Tableau, it creates a Tableau repository. So when you create a connection to a database server, it brings data into two different ways. Either it brings a extract data and save it in repository, or other way we can connect to the live connection. Depending on the requirement, we need to connect to extract or live connect. Okay, live connect is nothing but see. Uh, See, now I am connecting to the Excel. Okay, you assume that I am connecting to the Oracle. Okay, uh, I am connecting to the Superstore Excel. You can see this, right? This icon. It's very only single icon is there, right there.
Yeah, which one here? The
A sample Superstore. We have one icon is there, right?
yes.
If it is in this icon, it is in live connection. For example, we are connecting to the. Don't assume we connected to Excel. Assume that we are connecting to Oracle, and this is one table.
Okay.
This is live connect. If I drag and drop here these columns, every time it will hit the database and it will get the data.
Okay.
So the performance of the report will be little bit slower. For example, we have 1 crore data.
Mm-hmm.
If you drag and drop means it will take little bit. So if you extract means, see your icon will change. See now I'm creating one extract data. Okay. Now it is in live connect. Now
Yeah.
I'm taking
Now
extract.
we are extracting data. Okay.
If I extract like this, where to save this? Okay. You can save this in our local copy. Okay. See now here you can see that this icon changed, right? Previously it is single with white color. Now it is having two buttons like that.
Yeah, two cylinders kind of stuff. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So now it is a extract. So all the data now will be in local cache. So if I drag and drop now, it won't hit the database. It will hit the cache and it will get the data. So the performance of the report will be much faster.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Now are you getting this right? Live connect and extract.
Yes.
Yeah. The extract uh, will be good. Performance will be good. It will save it in the cache. So for each drag and drop option, it will hit the cache and you get the data. So performance is good. If you're going for live connection means performance will be little bit slower because we need to connect database. So for each drag and drop option, we will hit the database and fetch the data from there and to show the data in Tableau. So the performance is little bit slow. You can have a doubt when we need to use Live Connect reports.
Yes.
You can use Live Connect reports like users want to track their business every hourly base to check the data. For example, hourly base your data is changing, your data is adding means at that time we can go for Live Connect. So Live Connect means updated data will be there. Okay.
Correct.
And these end users. These are all the end users. End users means here is a big advantage of Tableau. It is very user friendly because the visualization is very good and it will be well accessible through desktop or electronic devices like iPad, iPhone, Mac. Most of the executives they are just bringing their own device and start accessing these reports. Not only in the desktop, you can have iPod, iPad, Mac. You can see all these reports in these also.
Okay.
Have any doubts on this, Tilak?
So we can only view the reports in iPads, but we can't install it on iPad, is it? We cannot install the desktop Tableau Desktop Professional on iPad, can we?
You can install Tableau Desktop Professional
On an iPad?
iPad.
Yeah.
You can use. No problem. You can use and you can check the reports also.
Okay. But what are the limitations of Tableau? Anil? Hello. Hello, Anil. Hello. Ashok? Hello, Sirisha.
Tilak, just wait. Looking, Anil has disconnected.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, in wait, maybe internet problem. Just wait one minute. I can't hear Anil.
Okay, could you please check with Anil and
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
just check if he can
Yeah,
connect
yeah.
back? Yeah.
Wait in online. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Hi, Tilak.
Hey,
Yeah, suddenly my audio is not working. I don't know why.
right, right.
You were asking something, right?
Yeah, what are the limitations of Tableau?
To installation or in development stuff?
Uh, Tableau is one of the tool in the BI, right? So
Yeah.
what are the things that it cannot do?
Uh, Up to now, we had an issue like, for example, we have a parameter. Means like filters we have. Okay.
Okay.
Filters means first of all you should know that right concept. What is parameter? What is filter? Then only you can understand this. So, for example, parameter is there. I'm
Uh,
taking extracts. It's not a live connect. I'm taking extract.
Okay.
In that parameter, now I am having 10 values. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
After I extracted, if I am not scheduling this report, means I don't schedule the report, means I am not refreshing the report. I am doing manually. Okay. Schedule is will assign one time, right? This time, for this time, this extract should be refreshed. Okay.
Right.
I think you are aware of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not scheduling this extract. I'm just doing manually. I'm having a parameter of 10 values. Today I extracted, and tomorrow I have another two values added parameter, 11 and 12.
Okay.
If I extract manually, but still I will get only 10. Then again I go to parameter, again I need to refresh the parameter. After that only these two, 11 and 12, newly added these two values will be in this parameter. This is the one, means dynamic parameter, I mean dynamically refreshing parameter this is. We are working on that, and we this is the one issue we are having this.
Okay. You
If
mean
it's
to say
scheduled
that
means it's okay.
okay. If it is live, you do not have that problem. Right?
If it is live, we do not have the problem. Updated data will be there in Live Connect.
Right. So only when you have already extracted the data and when you schedule a report and
No, I didn't
if
schedule the report.
okay, you have extracted the data.
Yeah.
You
Tomorrow
have
I'm
extracted
extracting
it.
again.
I mean, you said something about scheduling also, right?
Yeah, we can use the scheduling. If I am not using scheduling, means I'm telling.
Okay. Okay.
If you use scheduling, it's okay. It's fine. It will come.
Okay. So it will extract the data at that particular time when you have scheduled and create the report. But
Yeah.
if you are doing it manually, the parameters are not dynamically updated or
Yeah.
refreshed.
Yes.
Okay. And when compared to ClickView, how different are these two tools?
Uh, ClickView means here we need to write some coding in ClickView. Okay.
Okay.
And ClickView is a little bit. It's not as easy as Tableau.
Okay.
Tableau it's a data visualization tool where we can show the data only in graphs. And also it's easy to learn, easy to develop, and it will take less development time. No need to do any codings here. Just drag and drop option. If you want to do any, but for this you need some basic SQL. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
In ClickView you need coding also. You write codings also, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that is the big difference. Nowadays, Tableau is having nice market in outside rather than ClickView.
Oh, yes.
It is now one of the leading BI tool now, Tableau. So everybody is. Previously, I used to work in Cognos. I shifted to Tableau now.
Okay.
Because it is a little bit easy compared to ClickView.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. Anil, are we done with the demo now?
No.
Oh.
How data comes into the Tableau? See,
Okay.
this is the data source. Once we extract it, it will come into the data source. It will extract it here, and we can use like this. Okay.
Yeah.
And the process of development and publishing. See, once I develop the report, I'll publish it in the server. Means I will save it in the server. From server, users will see like this through iPod or mobile Safari or Android or PC browser. He can see our dashboards, which we saved in the server.
Okay.
These are all the data dimensions and measures. All the dimensions will be in blue color. All the measures will be in green color. For each specific column, we have one logo icon. See, per city, If it is
Yeah.
ABC means it's text values. If it is a calendar means date values. If calendar time means date and time values. If it is in hash means numeric values. If it is in true or false means boolean values. If it is in global means globally we can show this. See all this
Okay.
dimensions and measures.
Correct.
These are all the sample dashboards. The dashboards look like this. I told you one dashboard consists of n number of worksheets. See, this global detail is in one worksheet, list detail is in another worksheet. I'm dragging all these two into one place. These are all the filters. This serial number and tag number is parameter. Sorry, yeah, parameter. Okay. Your dashboard looks like this. See here also, in this dashboard I am using 4 worksheets. Global details 1, list details, no price part, and completed shipped order lines. These 4 are one. I'm writing all these 4 sheets into one area. Let's called one dashboard.
Okay.
These are all the chart types will be there. See this global map, tree map, bubble chart, heat map, scatter plot, waterfall chart. These are all the charts.
Okay.
We have the important topic is like .twb format and .twbx format. Once you develop the report, you want to save the report, right? By saving in 2 types, we can save .twb format and .twbx format. If you save your report with, see, for example, you are building a report with one flat file. Okay, for example, with one Excel sheet, you are building a report and you created and you saved it with .twb format and you send it to me. I'm not having that flat file. Okay.
Okay.
So that if I am not having that flat file which you created, if I try to open this means this report won't be open. Why? Because I should have that flat file. Okay. If you save with .twb format. Otherwise, if you save with .twbx format, even though I am not having that flat file, I can open this report. Why? Because it is a packaged version. All the data will be present in the packaged. So
Okay.
this is .twbx format.
Okay. So technically, TWBX file size will also be bigger than TWBX.
Yeah, yes. And this is published to the Tableau server. How we will publish to the Tableau server? How the reports look like? If you have access means you can publish like this. Select server, publish workbook, like this. Okay. You have an option called publish workbook. Okay. You can give the project name. You can give the dashboard name here, and you can click publish. Okay, this is how the demo now, as of now. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So we can connect to databases or flat files. We can analyze the data on the sheets, and we can publish that in the dashboards.
Yeah.
Right.
You can build a report.
I heard something called as workbook. How is a workbook different from a dashboard?
See, this entire part is one workbook. See,
okay.
One dashboard contains n number of worksheets.
Okay.
One workbook contains n number of worksheets, n number of dashboards. It's called one workbook. See, this is one workbook. See, for example, we created one dashboard, one workbook. Workbook name is called deals dashboard. Okay.
Okay.
This is the name. One dashboard, global summary. This is another dashboard, opportunity summary, and see, when I say dashboard, here n worksheets is there. This is one worksheet. This is worksheet. Okay, these are all the filters. This is another dashboard. All these dashboards are in one workbook only, right? The entire thing is called one workbook.
Okay.
Any doubts on this again?
No, Anil, I'm good. I'm good. I'm quite happy with this. So thank you for your time. I'll let you know my feedback to Sirisha and then we can take it forward. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Anil. Thank you for your time.
Okay.
Thanks, Ashok.
Okay. Thanks.
Ashok, could you send the video, the recorded session of his, please? Ashok, you there? Anil, is Ashok still on the call?
Yeah, I don't know. Ashok?
Okay, okay. I
Ashok
think
is.
Sirisha has just pinged me. Yeah, sure. No
Okay.
problem. I'll get in touch with Sirisha. All right. Thanks, Anil.
Okay.
Thanks, Ashok. Have a good day.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello, Tilak, can you hear me? Tilak, can you hear me? Okay, okay. Okay, Sirisha, what are the session? Is it fine, right?